Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error on Battlefield 6, this application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000604, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Battlefield 6 error on your computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu and you're going to write here Windows Security, and here you're going to click onto App and Browser Control. You're going to click onto Exploit Protection Settings here. You're going to click onto program settings. You're going to click onto add program to customize. Click on choose exact file path. You're going to go into your Battlefield 6. So it should be under Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Battlefield 6. You're going to click on Battlefield 6. You're going to click open on here. You're going to enable every option and then turn everything off. So just like how I'm doing it, disable everything. And once you're done with that, you're going to click apply on here. And you're going to click on add program to customize again, choose exact file again. You're going to select EA Anti-Cheat Game Service Launcher. You're going to click on open again, do the same thing again. So just turn everything off on here, just like you did it for the Battlefield 6 executive. Click apply on here, and that should do it. Now you can restart Battlefield 6 and you can easily game now. That's how easy it was to fix that issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.